Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. If you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Now, truthfully, this is probably the most interesting shoe I ever brought into my collection. So for this video, I for sure had to bring back the live unboxing because, yeah, I want all of us to experience this together because this is crazy. I don't know why it came in this huge box from DTLR, but here it is. And really, I don't know if I've ever been this conflicted on a shoe purchase ever, but it is what it is. If I don't like it that much for real, then I could just return it. No harm, no foul with that. But let's get into this. And I also didn't enter any raffles for this because I didn't know if I really wanted it or not. And they didn't have any of them in stores, so where can we toss this? Couldn't check them out in person, but like I said, whew, please don't be trash. Please don't be trash. What we got here? Hold on, wrong way. Oh no, it's trapped. I don't. Here. So here we have the Archaeo Brown or the Winterized Air Jordan 3, whichever name you want to call it. Yeah, this is what we're working with today.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
This for sure is an abstract shoe right here, cause it feels nice. I gotta give them that. This feels wonderful, to be honest. This shoe retails for $210, but Nike and Jordan brand still got quality control issues. That's insane. But nonetheless, this is the box. This is what it looks like, and the sizing label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro SE Archaeo Brown Dark Smoke Gray, size 12, and the USD isn't on here, but I did mention that it was retailed for $210. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna bring these back or not. I gotta see how they feel on feet. And when it does come to sizing with Jordan 3s, normally in these newer Jordan 3s, I like to go down to half size, but I only stuck true to size on these because that's the only size that was available. And of course, I was looking at the comments, seeing what other people was thinking about this shoe. You had a good amount of people that was saying that this shoe was amazing. And then you had a bunch of other people just straight up saying,
what the hell is even that?
Now, getting deeper into this shoe, let's address the elephant in the room and acknowledge the fact that there is no elephant print on this at all. They instead replaced it with this textile material, and I ain't gonna lie, it does feel nice, but at the same time, that's kind of part of the reason why it looks slightly off, just because it feels like it's not a true Jordan 3 without the elephant print. That's the whole thing that just made the 3 stand out from all the other shoes. And not only that, but the entire colorway is just unique. Throughout the upper of the shoe, you do have this Archaeo Brown, and it has the same feel and texture as the Winterized 14s. And the Winterized catalog as a whole is honestly just incredible in my opinion, because for people that live up north like how I live up here in CT, when it's winter and it's slushy outside but I don't like wearing boots, the Winterized sneakers are definitely the way to go. You're not gonna have a bunch of snow and water and whatnot seep through your shoe, and also they kind of make the inside of the shoe feel a little bit warmer, a little bit more thick than regular. So these are most definitely not going to be ideal for the summertime, but when it gets colder in the fall and definitely for winter, this is a golden sneaker right here. So back to the color blocking and more materials used throughout the shoe. The material on the mudguard is this beautiful short-haired suede. And wherever you see black on the shoe, it's not actually black. It's really just a dark smoke gray. Then we also have a fossil stone, light Bordeaux, and cement gray.
I'm the best thing since sliced bread. True indeed, beat murdering since I stopped with the Hooper dreams. Who the king with the pen, but no dope sold. I'm ice cream cold, the flow is in with one cold stone. A lost angel with a mamba mentality. The school of hard knocks, I'm busy pissing off the faculty. A single parent's Christmas. Can't nobody rap with me. If you don't leave when dismissed, I'm leaving you in agony. Watch who you addressing like Fashion Week, cause I'm off and leaving niggas raggedy. You did? Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting born. Locked in the cell in your mind, I've been here some time, man, it's crazy, we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit. It's all in your eyes when you pocket the grin. One thing that I know, you best run in that store, you take everything green and you pop them and dip. To tell you the truth, you're an opportunist. If you think you can, then you gotta do it. Pull up on the bass and rocket through it. At the end of the day, this is riding music. I'm the man, not your man, baby, don't confuse it. And I don't give a damn about a humble movement. I'm just talking my shit cause I'm going through it. I don't bug, I don't hear, I'ma fucking lose it. Ask if I sign, I'ma tell them like...
I'm gonna have to try these on with fits too, for sure. I might have a hotter style come in with this before I return them, if I decide to return them. But yeah, this is my first impression of the shoe, and it's a unique one for sure. I'm gonna definitely need a couple days to actually sit with it. We'll see where it goes from here. We'll see if it stays in the collection or if it gets shipped right back to DTLR. And yeah, the Archaeo Brown Air Jordan 3. If you enjoy content like this and want to see more, this is definitely the place for you. I do other sneaker reviews, how to style videos. Honestly, anything that's sneaker and clothing related content, it's all here on the channel. So if you enjoy, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. Bro, what are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're in that road to 100K. Comment down below your thoughts on the Winterized or Archaeo Brown Air Jordan 3. And...
yeah.
hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.